Hey everyone, this is our video demonstration of our features we implemented into the game Mindustry. So the first one is a visual representation of picking up an ore, either by mining it as shown here. You got that little animation showing the material and how much of the material you're obtaining. Well, it works obviously on every single material in the game, and it also works if you do it on buildings by destroying the building, either by doing a single building at a time or by bulk destroying. You always get the little animation, and it also shows up top with a number next to the material you're getting, just to more accurately represent what you're getting. So yeah, our next feature is the undo feature, as I'm gonna show you here. If you press Ctrl Z, you can roll back to the previous states where before you placed or destroyed something, and it can also do the opposite of that if you press Ctrl Y. It's the redo feature. It also works on every single block in the game. Everything that you can place, you can undo that action or redo it with Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y, as shown here. The next feature is Favorites tab, where you can create your personal tabs for specific situations. You can give it a name, such as test for this example. Then you can give it an icon. There's a lot of icons you can choose from. For now, I'm going to choose this one just for the example. And then you can select what buildings you want, but I'm not going to do it just yet, just to show you something. I'm going to create a second one real quick. As you can see, the tabs are not clickable at the moment because you didn't select any building. So if you go and select it real quick, it appears over there. I'm going to do the same for the second tab real quick. And as you can see, you can select it and you can even place it, select it from there and place it on the ground normally as if it was a normal tab, sorry. So what I'm going to show you now is the data consistency. If you leave the game and join back in, the tabs will be saved with the same names and the same icons, and the blocks that you selected will also be in the tabs as you left them before. So there's no problem with leaving the game. You won't lose any of the tabs as it's supposed to, obviously. As you can see right here, everything is as normal. So you can also edit the tab. You can rename it. You can add new blocks. You can remove some of the blocks. You can even delete the tab if you want to. You can also search a block by its name. Then you can either select it or deselect it to make it enter the new tab or remove it from the tab. You can of course just delete a new tab. So I'm going to create a new one, for example. And if you had a few blocks selected on that tab and you delete that tab, they won't appear anymore on any of the other tabs, as you can see right here. So what I'm going to show you guys now is that I'm going to enter a new game mode where you have every single block unlocked. The previous tabs that you created will also be available here because they are global through the whole game. And when you create a new tab and you go to add blocks to that tab, they will have you will have a lot more options to put there, because obviously you have more blocks unlocked in the game that you unlock throughout well, not story, but you unlock throughout the game. As you can see right here, there's a lot of blocks. I'm gonna select a few just to show an example. It obviously works as normally. You can see them there, and you could place them. So what I'm gonna show you now is that I'm gonna go back to the normal world where I don't have anything. And if you go to that tab that you created with blocks that I don't have available right now, you won't be able to place them. They'll be locked because you obviously haven't unlocked them there yet. So yeah, I'm gonna remove them because they're useless here. And then I'm gonna add a few different ones. As you can see, they're there and everything works as intended. So yeah, this is it. This is all the features we implemented. I hope you guys enjoy it, and it makes the game a better experience for you guys. And yeah, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below if you want us to add some other features to the game.